Honda has launched the new NX200 at a price of rupees 1.68 lakh rupees ex-showroom, and this replaces the Honda CB200X in the portfolio. Now this one is powered by a 184.4cc single-cylinder engine, makes around 17.3 PS of power and 15.7 Newton meters of torque. It also gets 167 mm of ground clearance and a 12-liter fuel tank. The Honda NX200 has a curb weight of 147 kilos and a wheelbase of 1355 mm. It is offered in 4 colors. Other noteworthy mentions include an underbelly cowl, all LED lighting. Now this one rivals the likes of the Hero Xpulse 200 4V. Right up front, you get a 4.2-inch TFT dash with Bluetooth tethering, and this can be connected via the Honda app. And when it comes to cycle parts, this one comes shod with 17-inch wheels up front, and at the rear, it comes shod with MRF tires. You also get dual-channel ABS and upswept exhaust unit. The front disc brake it's 276 mm up front and 220 at the rear. The suspension duties are done by a USD fork up front, which is gold-plated, and a single monoshock at the rear, single-tube monoshock at the rear. You also get on the top is a 2-piece seat with grab rails, these knuckle protectors that double up as indicators, and this nice visor. You let me know in the comments below what do you think about the Honda NX200, and for all things on auto, stick to Overdrive. I'll see you on the next one.